In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create spotlight animation effect in Canva. We'll build a dramatic spotlight look by dimming your background, adding a glowing ring, and revealing a crisp, bright version of your image inside a circle. It's simple, clean, and perfect for thumbnails, posts, or dynamic slides. Start by opening Canva and choosing any template that fits your project. A standard presentation or social post works great. With your design open, head to the Uploads tab and bring in the image you want to feature. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it to fill your layout so it becomes your background. Select the image and click Edit, then open the Adjust controls. Lower the brightness to dim the background. Go just dark enough to make your highlight pop, but not so dark that you lose detail. You can revisit this later if needed. Next, open the Elements tab and use the search bar to type Circle Neon. Choose a white neon ring, and if you see a See All option, click it to browse variations. Add a ring you like to the canvas, resize it, and place it over the area you want to spotlight. Think of this ring as the rim light for your effect. Now we'll create the bright reveal inside the ring. Still in Elements, open Frames and add a circle frame. Resize this frame so it matches the neon ring size and align it precisely on top. Canva's smart guides will help you snap it into place so the ring and frame sit perfectly together. Go back to Uploads and drag the same image you used for the background straight into the circle frame. It will snap inside. Double-click the framed image to enter crop mode. Resize and reposition it so what you see inside the circle lines up with the background. Use the edges and recognizable details as guides. Slide left or right as needed until the subject inside the circle matches the background beneath it. When it looks seamless, click Done. At this point, you have a dimmed background, a glowing neon ring, and a bright, perfectly aligned cutout inside the circle. That contrast is what creates the spotlight effect. If the glow feels too intense or too subtle, tweak the ring size or brightness of the background image slightly, and if any element hides behind another, use Canva's position controls to bring the ring or frame forward. That's it. Your polished spotlight effect is ready to use in your design.